Welcome back to the kitchen table. Newly scrubbed kitchen table. Look at that cleanliness there. Beautiful. Some big news then on UK drone laws for an Air Navigation Order 2016 amendment, which is coming in today, the 30th of May here in the UK. There will be an amendment to the ANO in Parliament following a government consultation in 2016. There will be some new laws put in place. The first law that will be stated, this is UK only, but it's interesting to debate, and it very much follows what happened in America with the FAA. Operators of drones above 250 grams will need to be registered. It basically means anything that flies 250 grams isn't very heavy at all. So anything that flies will need to be registered. Interestingly, point number 2, pilots flying drones will be known as remote pilots, are to obtain acknowledgement of competency from the CAA, having passed requirements sent to the CAA, such as an online safety test to prove knowledge of restrictions. Now that's an interesting one, because it will mean that you need some sort of identification from the CAA to say you're competent to fly. The height limit of 400 feet for all drone flights is number 3. Well, I don't think that's going to affect very many people at all. That is the limit as it stands at the moment. However, it's just saying that that can now no longer be varied. So that's 400 feet as its maximum limit. And a restriction for flying drones within 1 kilometre of protected aerodromes in the UK, unless you have permission from the air traffic control unit in question. So measures 1 and 2 don't come into force until the 30th of November 2019. So to be registered for a drone over 250 grams and to have your acknowledgement from the CAA for competency, you've got another 18 months for that to happen. The 30th of November 2019 will give drone users time to adjust, to change, and allow the CAA to complete their work and educational materials. Measures 3 and 4, though, height of 400 feet and restrictions of 1 kilometre from aerodromes, come into force 30th of July 2018. That's just 2 months. The CAA will have power to exempt operators for flying above 400 feet and within 1 kilometre of protected aerodromes. Now, obviously, aerodromes at the moment are protected via, certainly with these beasts, the DJI geofencing. But also it means that if you do need to go closer, this will be allowed up to the CAA's approval, and it will provide a positive commercial use for drones to continue without those restrictions, should the need apply. So some interesting news. There's some comments down there. What do you think? Too tight? Not enough? I think they're fair rules, actually, if you ask me. A registration of anything over 250 grams just basically means that people need to be registered, rather than just pop into their nearest store, buying one and going to fly. Anyway, have your thoughts down below. Thanks for watching The Kitchen Table. We'll be back soon with a full in-depth review of this beast just here. But yeah, what's your comments? What's your thoughts? Do we need this registration? Or is there nothing to worry about for legitimate flyers? Have your say.